Hey guys, thank you for watching Traveling with Jay. This is me Janita and I'm back with another video related to stock market. As you've already seen the thumbnail, so today in this video we are going to discuss about grey market and grey market premium. If you have been following my videos, you will be knowing that I have added a new section to our IPO videos, that is grey market premium, also known as GMP. So I just thought why not give a brief idea about what that particular term means. So if you're new to this channel, this is me Janita and I post videos related to finance, travel and education. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for my future videos. Before explaining what is grey market, let me tell you what kind of markets actually exist. Like one we have is white market. White market is an open market like we have our stock exchanges, where all the transactions takes place legally under the rules and regulations laid by SEBI and CDSL. For example, if you want to buy a stock, transactions are regulated by SEBI, that is Securities Exchange Board of India, and when you want to sell the shares, it is authorized by CDSL, that is Central Depository. So these transactions are regulated by both the institutions, and then the stocks are moved from the seller's account to the buyer's account. Second is black market. Black market, you might be knowing about it, it's an illegal market. Black market is a place where smuggled goods are traded, something which is not sold legally. For example, during the COVID times, you might have seen medicines were sold at way higher prices than the actual cost. That is how the black market runs during this particular time. When you read something, there is a black market who will get you the things at way higher prices than the actual cost. Now let's move to the main topic of the video, that is grey market. So grey market is neither a black market nor a white market. Now you will say that's why it's a grey market. So grey market is a parallel market, which means it's an unofficial market for shares. Grey market is a place where deals take place unofficially, which means there are no rules and regulations. But it is important to note that these small businesses, these are legal entities. IPO grey market is the one where company shares are bid and off by traders unofficially. This takes place before the company has issued its shares to the public in the initial public offering. Since this is an unofficial market, there are no rules and regulations. Market regulators like Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, they are not involved in these transactions. Grey market is basically run by small set of individuals, they are known as dealers. So these transactions are purely based on mutual trust, there are no paperwork, nothing. So let's move forward and understand what is grey market premium. Grey market premium is nothing but the price at which shares are traded in the grey market. For example, whenever an IPO is open for subscription, the way before you will find details about GMP, that is grey market premium, on several websites, and this GMP keeps on changing on daily basis. So that is what grey market premium is. Let me give you an example. Let's assume issue price of stock A is rupees 500 and its grey market premium is rupees 300. It means that people are ready to buy the shares of company A for rupees 800. Let's take another example. Say myself, Janita, is a trader and I have 15 shares of an upcoming IPO whose issue price is 1000. So there are buyers who think that the value of the share is much higher than its issue price. So buyers are ready to buy the shares at rupees 400 premium. So 400 into 15 equals to 6000. And say at the listing date, the shares of company A gets listed at 1800. So the issue price was 1000 and GMP which I have given is 400. So I am in a profit of 400 rupees per share. On the other hand, say if the listing price, the company shares are listed at 1200 and the issue price was 1000 and GMP was 400. So I am at a loss of 200 per share. Before closing the video, I want to give an important note here is that GMP is highly volatile and one shouldn't rely on it alone. You know, before buying an IPO, sometimes we only see what is the GMP, that is the grey market premium of that share. You should not solely depend on it alone. You should also see the stats of the company, what are the future perspective of the company, and then decide and apply for an IPO. So that was all about today's video. I hope you find this information useful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. I will see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.